Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you all about onions that make us cry. We just tend to hate them when we need to cut them. But then again, our meal is incomplete without onion. They add flavor to the most of foods and of course they come with several health benefits. We are also going to focus on onion health benefits and risk in this video. We are going to take a look into some of the most funny facts and interesting facts that will leave you surprised. So stay tuned, watch my video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's get started. Sliced onions don't become poisonous. You won't get food poisoning or stomach infection from such onions. During the Middle Ages, onions were used as gifts and even currency. People used to pay for services and goods. Slicing onion make us cry and we really hate that. This is because we cut onions, sulfur is released. This sulfur reaches our eyes and combines with the moisture to produce sulfuric acid. In a defensive stance, our brain makes our eyes produce tears that eliminate the acid. You can cut onions under running water to prevent tears. Alternately, you can also apply some white vinegar on the cutting board and then cut the onions on them. It is believed that if the skin of the onion is thick, it means that a harsh winter is coming. A thin skin, on the other hand, denotes a mild winter. China is considered as the world's largest producer of onions. India takes the second spot and USA takes the third spot. New York City was once known as Big Onion. A British farmer grew the world's largest onion ever in 2011. The onion made it to Guinness Book of World Record. Onions are world's sixth most popular vegetable crop. Onions are enemies of dogs, as onions can weaken red blood cells of dogs and lead to anemia, and in severe cases it can lead to death. So keep onions away from your dogs. There are different types of onions, and each one has its own special qualities. Here we need to know about the three most common types of onions: white, red and yellow one. So start with white onion. These are usually the most mild of the onion varieties, so we like to use white onions in salads and on sandwiches. These varieties contain a much higher sugar content and even lower sulfur content. Red onion. Sweetness is its greatest strength. The sharpness of its flavor and the intensity of its smell are slightly more than that of the white onion. We use this as a prime candidate for pickling, which we love to do on pizza, fried rice, etc. And when it comes to grilling, red onions are our first choice. Yellow onion. We cook these onions 100% of the time out of respect for the health and well-being of our noses and taste buds. It contains very high sulfur content. So we like white onions raw, red onions grilled or pickled, and yellow onions caramelized or roasted. Nutrition. Onions are a nutrient-dense food. 1 cup of chopped onion provides 64 calories, 14.9 grams of carbs, 0.16 gram of fat, 0 gram of cholesterol, 2.72 gram of fiber, 6.78 gram of sugar, and 1.76 gram of protein. Onions also contain small amounts of calcium, iron, folate, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, the antioxidants, and sulfur. Health benefits. Raw onion is known to lower the production of bad cholesterol and keep your heart healthy. The vitamin C, along with the phytochemicals present in onions, helps build immunity. Quercetin is a powerful compound found in onions which plays a major role in preventing cancer, especially stomach and colorectal cancers. Chromium present in the root may help regulate blood sugar. A mixture of onion juice and honey is said to be effective as a cure for fever, common cold, allergies, etc. You can keep a small piece of onion under the nostrils and inhale to stop or slow down a nosebleed. To get the maximum benefit, try to peel as little of the outer skin as possible. Folate in onions also helps with depression and aids sleep and appetite. Chewing raw onions improve our oral health. They help eliminate bacteria that can lead to tooth decay and gum issues. When added to the hair and scalp, onion juice can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair. The sulfur from onions may also promote collagen production that helps the production of healthy skin cells and hair growth. I'll also let you know the risk factors related to onion. For some people, the carbohydrates in onions may cause gas. It is also possible to have an allergy to onions. Onion extract, when applied to skin, causes irritation. Don't use medicinal amounts of onion or onion extract if you have a bleeding disorder. Stop using onion as a medicine at least 2 weeks prior a scheduled surgery. Onion might also lower your blood sugar level.